For centuries, we only looked at the stars. But in 2015, for the first time in history, we heard them.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Not through sound waves in the air, but through ripples in the very fabric of reality. These are gravitational waves, the faint, ghostly echoes of the most violent collisions in the universe. Imagine space-time is a giant trampoline. When two massive objects, like black holes or neutron stars, dance around each other at nearly the speed of light, they shake that fabric. They send ripples across the universe. By the time these waves reach Earth, they are so tiny they barely move an atom. But they carry the secrets of a billion-year-old disaster. To catch these echoes, we built LIGO. It's a pair of 4-kilometer-long lasers so sensitive they can measure a change in distance 1,000 times smaller than a single proton. When a wave from a distant collision passes through Earth, it stretches our planet and LIGO, just enough for our lasers to hear the cosmic heartbeat. The moment of impact is where the magic happens. In the final milliseconds before two black holes merge, they release more energy than all the stars in the observable universe combined. But that energy doesn't come as light. It comes as a chirp in space-time, a literal signature of the universe's most extreme physics. This is a new era of multi-messenger astronomy. Before, we were like people watching a silent movie. Now, we've turned on the sound. We can detect black hole mergers that are completely invisible to normal telescopes, allowing us to map the dark side of our universe for the very first time. Right now, the space you're standing in is being stretched and squeezed by waves from ancient collisions you can't see. We are finally listening to the echoes of collapsing space-time. If you could hear any event in cosmic history, which one would it be? Let us know.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.